Welcome to my channel with second video of flower vases. Here is breakdown of some common types and material. First one is bud vases. Bud vases are small and narrow, designed to hold a single flower or a small cluster. These are ideal for minimalist arrangements and individual blocks. Next type is slender vases. These are tall and cylindrical, perfect for long stemmed flowers, versatile and suitable for both simple and elaborate arrangements. Next type is round vases. These are wide and round, often used for fuller bouquets, provides a balanced look and work well as a centerpiece. Next type is square or rectangular vases. These are modern and geometric, great for contemporary decor. These can hold structured floral arrangements for a sleek look. Next type is trumped vases. Trumped vases flared at the top, narrowing toward the base, ideal for creating a dramatic, elegant display. Next type is urn vases. These classical shapes, often with handles, adds a traditional or antique touch to the decor. Next type is teardrop vases. These are rounded at the bottom and tapered toward the top. These are unique shape, adds visual interest and elegance. Next one is hanging vases. Hanging vases designed to the hung from the ceiling or wall. These are suitable for small spaces and adding vertical interest. Now we will talk about materials of flower vases. In this contest, first one is glass vases. Glass vases are clear or colored. Glass vases are versatile and can suit any decor style. These are transparent. Transparent glass allows the stems and water to be visible, adding to the natural beauty of the arrangements. Next material include ceramic material. Available in various finishes like glaze, matte or textured. Ceramic material adds a handcraft artistic touch to the decor. Next material is porcelain, often intricately designed and decorated, offers a classic and refined look suitable for traditional and elegant settings. Next material include is metal. Material like stainless steels, brass, copper or aluminium. These adds a modern or industrial feel, often with the reflective or matte finishes. Next material included is wood. Wood is natural and rustic, suitable for a warm, earthy ambience. Often used in combination with glass inserts to hold water. Next one is use of stone in flower vases. Marble, Granite or other stone materials are included in this. This provides a solid, luxury appearance and work well in sophisticated settings. Next one is acrylic. Lightweight and shattered-proof, available in various colors. Acrylic are ideal for contemporary and casual decor and safe for home with children or pets. Use of plastic in flower vases. Plastic flower vases are affordable and durable, available in many styles and colors. These are suitable for casual and outdoor settings. Next and last one is crystal. Crystal material as flower vases is high-end and elegant, often with intricate cuts. This adds a touch of luxury and spark to the arrangement. Friends, choosing the right type and material of vases depend on your personal style, the type of flowers you are using, and the overall decor of your home. Mixing the matching different types and materials can also create a dynamic and visually appealing display.